This contains my power. Long ago, this naive vessel of mine set about devising new spells. The fool dreamt of bringing new forms of magic into the world. But instead, he created me. By the very gods! This contains my power. You are most intriguing. I want you to kill one more. Now you're getting nervous, hmm?
Reloading!
Do you jest? Not bad at all. What he sought was strength. So I decided to demonstrate. While my vessel slept, I'd find my mark and hunt him down. But how is it that you go about defining good and evil?
Expire!
Victory! Red team victory!
दो यार, तुम्हारे पैसे थोड़ी ना कट रहे हैं, कर दो।